Hey, this is Paul from What Plant Is That, Paul? I'm on the sidewalk here in Rancho Penasquitos, Armstrong Garden Center. But check this out. Look what they did. Super cool. So they got granite rocks here, and they threw some, looks like Guatemalan variety of dragon fruit on the side of the road. Got a blossom here, a couple blooms here. Looks like they opened last night and they're closing. So we're out. Wow, these plants do better than I thought on rocks in Southern California. Look at that. This guy didn't get to open last night. It was blocked. Beautiful though. So I've seen this thing blooming for about a couple weeks now. Had to come by and try to shoot a video here, show you how awesome this dragon fruit is here. Looks like all of these are self-sterile variety, so it looks like definitely they're not gonna set fruit here. So they need a cross-pollination. That's why dudes should have a sugar dragon here. They definitely set fruit on this rock. But definitely, yeah, for sure this is a self-sterile variety. Look at that. None of them have set. Very beautiful though. So give us a like, subscribe. We'll keep them coming. But I do want to show you that the problem with the rock setup here of any dragon fruit is it tends to get a little bit more sunburned in the heat on the rock. So you can see here, I mean, it's pretty happy. It's doing really well, you know. But right here on the heat of that rock, it just is going to yellow. So that's something to be aware of. Anyways, come check this out. Armstrong Nursery in Rancho Penasquitos. Very cool setup here of dragon fruit. All right, take care. Dude, it's creepy.